catches is a goal and catch.
I have recorded this video. The Imran has to take the catch, man. He doesn't drop it. Yeah, today we are capturing our video through front camera. Hey, this is the legend. This is the great legend, Mohsen.
Hey, how are you?
This is me.
These are my fellows. We are going to play some cricket. Actually, educational institute. But now we are going to play some cricket. We are going for refreshment. Playing in cricket in a football ground. That is amazing.
You guys can join us in government graduate football ground. English थोड़ी अटक जाती है मुंह में.
And we are going to play plenty of cricket there. And they are all, some of them are very good players. Others are like me. Oh no! But we are going to enjoy there. Abdul Wase, say hi, Abdul Wase. Hi. Guys, we are finally here in the football ground. Yeah, just look at this view of the ground and look at this. We are going to use this pitch. Look at this. This is a lot of ditches is there, and this is a very hard pitch. And Wase is there. Here are the two men coming. They are just look at that. They are going to. Their wickets are in hand. They are just looking. They are going to change some wickets, and now they are just. Look at this.
Wickets, man.
Yeah, they are a unique type of wicket that you have ever not seen. It. There is the Mohammad Khalid. And he is also going to play. Just say hi.
Yeah. I am batsman in Atik team, and inshallah, I am trying to good batting.
This is a field setup here in this ground, in this football ground.
Mohsen bhai, Atik bhai, the best player. White ball. Wonderful catch. I think maybe catch is done.
And now the bowler is running and good shot and catches is the call, catch, it's dropped it.
Wonderful shot. Very good six.
It's a beautiful view.
Nasir is on strike and it's out.
फखरे बॉटनी वीडियो में है. मोहसन भाई. Very good shot. Atik is on strike. That very tutti frutti English. Well ball by Farooq bhai. Oh, wide ball. Yes, dude. आप लोगों को भी कैप्चर किया हुआ है.
And here are two legends on the field. And bowler is running and
ball है. Well ball.
Now we have 66 runs to win in the 5 over.
Wase is the bowler and Shoaib is on strike and it's a good shot. It's a boundary. And now Atik is running and Shoaib is on strike and then it's a good shot and it's going to be a single. And now Mukas is on strike and it's a good ball, just a single. Next ball and catch. Now it's time for a spin and what a good shot. It's a boundary for run. Another ball and this is my goodness, this is a 6. Good ball and catches is a goal and catch.
I have recorded this video. The Imran has to take the catch, man. He doesn't drop it.
New bowler Ali Hassan and it's good ball. Runner. Oh yes. And now it's again good shot, just a single. And now Wakas is on strike again and it's a flick shot and 6. Let's another look. This is another 6 one.
Now it's time for spin, and then that is the good shot. Catch is dropped. It's dropped. Catch is dropped. And this is the good shot. It's a 6. It's next bowler here. And then and bang and good shot. Oh, catch is dropped. Oh, chance of a run out and chance of a run out. Oh no, it's missed with the gloves there. And this is a bang shot. And oh, 4 run. It's gone for 4. Look at this, how the player is feeling. Look at this, how the player is feeling, and he's so happy. He's so happy to to catch this opportunity.
It is my first time I have played 4 runs.
Oh, he says his first time. I think it is his debut. It is his debut there, and he scored 4 runs. Now, Tosif is on the batting side, and this is the ball, and oh, missed it. He missed it. This is the match summary here, and we have lost the match as well. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.